What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Iron Digital. I'm your host, D Wills, and I'm not gonna be here that long. I'm kind of running late this morning. I got a couple other things I got to do, so this is probably gonna be pretty quick. I don't have much news to go over, but just wanted to try to get another video out there for you guys. Anyway, as you see on this screen here, we got a quick market recap, I guess you could say, or just market overview. You can see what the market's doing right now. We got Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up about 2% in 24 hours. Ethereum's down slightly. Tether's doing what it does because it's a stable coin. BNB is down 0.6%. Cardano 0.33% gain. Dogecoin absolutely worthless. We don't care what that's doing. USD obviously stable. XRP absolutely garbage. Horrible. Worst thing ever invented. Polkadot is 0.81% increase. Uniswap 3.57% increase. So the market is just ranging back and forth. So it's not doing too much. Let's get into this first article. Legacy U.S. bank increases Bitcoin exposure via Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. The bank added to its existing exposure of the world's largest cryptocurrency. A filing shows. A division of Chicago's First Midwest Bank increases Bitcoin exposure last month. A filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission showed. And as you can see on the screen, this tweet. BTS Institutional Watch. In an SEC filing today, First Midwest Bank Trust Division based in Gillette, Illinois, I guess that's how that's pronounced, reported holding 29,498 shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust as of June 30th. Previously, it reported 7,693 shares at the end of March. The bank, founded in 1933, now holds over 27 Bitcoin via the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, an institutional regulated product offered by Grayscale Investments that holds a fraction of Bitcoin per publicly traded share, allowing investors to be exposed to the asset in a safer manner. Okay. Well, this is good news. Yeah. So, more legacy bank wants to get involved in the Bitcoin so that they don't get left behind. That's always a positive thing. I guess, in the world of crypto, everything is weird. Stuff that's supposed to make the price go up, it doesn't do anything at all. Anyway, Ethereum supremacy. ETH adds over 5 million unique addresses in 30 days. ETH still killing the game. Ethereum continues on a path of more adoption as the asset has seen addition of over 5 million new unique addresses added over the past 30 days. This comes as Bitcoin continues to record declines in the number of active addresses in the network. Ethereum remains the largest smart contracts network and the second largest cryptocurrency in the world, according to a data compilation released recently between June 6 and July 6. Ethereum has added 5.37 million new and unique addresses on its network. These addresses add up to an average of 173,000 addresses added every single day for the month-long period. Wow. EIP 1559, people. Everybody wants a piece of ETH. Everybody wants a piece of ETH. What else we got going on? Currently, the number of unique Ethereum addresses now sits at approximately 162.2 million. The recent increase in demand for Ethereum has been the key driver in the meteoric rise in the number of addresses being registered by investors. The increase in demand has been due to a number of changes and upgrades being made to the Ethereum ecosystem. And with the changes and upgrades have come new opportunities for customers to earn cryptocurrencies while helping to make the network more secure and efficient. Wow, I'm doing horrible at reading this morning. I apologize. I really do. ETH's gonna flip Bitcoin. It's inevitable. So yeah, it's inevitable. ETH is gonna eventually flip Bitcoin. Anyway, production cost. Why 14K is likely the absolute floor for Bitcoin. Bitcoin price is a critical inflection point according to most analysts across the market, either ready to lose support and fall deep into a bear market or about to climb to new highs, nothing in between. Though on the bearish side of the fence are already calling for lows under $10,000 and others suggesting a deeper decline than Black Thursday. However, one important piece of data suggests that the absolute price floor for Bitcoin is around $14,000 per coin. Here's why. Crypto traders are an egotistical bunch when they're not posting and sharing memes online. They're posting screenshots of their unrealized P&L amounting in the millions and the hindsight charts that made them rich. As a speculative market, participants are often seen rightfully speculating, predicting prices of hundreds of thousands per coin in the future or projecting a fall to new lows. With extremes on both sides, a target more steeped in reality is instead likely. Bitcoin won't reach $400,000 or more this cycle, nor will it plunge to below $3,000. Why $14,000 could be the fundamental price floor for Bitcoin. 14,000 was the high of the last major bullish impulse, which peaked in June 2019. Bitcoin went on a tear when it finally broke through that resistance level in 2020. Yeah, so I mean, this article has a point. This article definitely has a point. The markets are definitely highly speculative right now. You got a lot of amateurs in the market, a lot of speculation going on. Very few actually know what they're doing. Early stages of the internet, just like how it was with internet stocks. So it's crazy. Nobody knows where Bitcoin is going right now. It's just trading It's just trading back and forth. It's just ranging. That's all. It could go down to 14,000. It could also go up to $400,000 this year, even though I doubt it. $100,000 is a realistic mark for this year, but it might not even go there. It is what it is. Just be patient and wait. That's all. Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak, Bitcoin is a mathematical miracle. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold, and now the flagship cryptocurrency has another high-profile cheerleader. Okay, Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak is a big believer in Bitcoin. I do not invest in Bitcoin, but I believe in it for the future, Wozniak said during a presentation at Talentland Jalisco, a conference for tech entrepreneurs that took place this week. Okay, Wozniak added that Bitcoin is more appealing than gold. Gold is limited and you have to look for it. Bitcoin is the most amazing mathematical miracle, he said. Wozniak also said that the future of technology looks more promising than before due to the talent of young people in tech. Wozniak has a cryptocurrency of his own, the eForce crypto token, which trades under the ticker WozX, hit an all-time high in December of the last year when it reached 2015 cents. Okay, everybody's out for the bag right now. This crypto is a huge money grab. People are coming out with their own currencies that don't need to exist are existing. It's just dangerous times right now on crypto. And I remember reading an article I think it was yesterday, the day before yesterday, and it was talking about how basically crypto is going to crash and how it's going to crash because basically we're just in the wild west, man. I mean, it's a lot of corruption that's involved. The infrastructure that we're trying to destroy, we're becoming, a lot of the people that's behind the scenes, they just jump from project to project to project, just simply getting the money bag. And I get it from a perspective of you want to make money, but you got to be able to get a hold on the making money part. I mean, if everything is just to make money to the extreme without trying to push the innovation as much, then you're just going to recreate the same infrastructure that we exist in now, with fractional reserve banking and just the corruption that exists in the legacy system. So at some point, this stuff will start to smooth out, but it may take years before that actually happens. While you still see the meme coins and all kind of still going up high, and Just the fact, again, you look at something like a Dogecoin that's able to command $28 billion market cap, XRP, which does nothing, able to command $24 billion market cap. It's like, why? It's very obvious that we're not being led fundamentally, and if things don't change in the future, in the years to come, then it will be the ultimate demise of crypto. I don't see that happening. I do see things changing, but right now, Wild Wild West, it's got Wozniak. He says Bitcoin is good, but he's not an investor in Bitcoin. Instead, he has his own token, WozX, which probably doesn't do anything, to be honest with you. It's just a money grab. Most of this stuff is just money grabs. That's all it is. They're not really doing anything at all. Cryptos that should not exist, that shouldn't even be trying to implement a blockchain, or implementing it. It's just, it is what it is. You know what I mean? And right now we got to go through this period. Hopefully it won't take too much longer. We can kind of weed out the rest of this stuff. That's why having a market reset is honestly a good thing for a lot of that high speculative nature to kind of calm down a bit. You're not going to get rid of it completely, because that's just the dynamics of markets. There's always going to be speculation, because people want to buy, some people want to sell, just based off of you believing your belief system of whether you think a price is high or low. That's just what it is. But anyway, that's all I have for you today. Sorry that this video was a little bit all over the place. I didn't have much time to put it together, but I wanted to try to put something out anyway. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take a look at some of the other content. Subscribe to the channel. Quick shout out to my boy Eli from What Happened to Common Sense. Definitely, I've recommended him already on this channel before, but I gotta give another shout out to him because the brother's on point. He's thorough. Look at that brother's content. He's probably one of the best ones in this space. Very smart individual. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy. Peace.